Hello and welcome to another video. Today we are unboxing a vintage Pullip doll. We are unboxing I don't know how to say her name properly, Pere Noel. It's French apparently, and it means Santa Claus. So she came out in December of 2012. And she was the Ginza department store's Christmas promotion, like the main visual. So her picture was all over everything. So she's a very special doll. And here is the listing from the Groove website, the original retailer. She retailed for $189 and now is discounted to $145, which is a pretty good price, honestly. But as usual, I did not buy her from the Groove store. I brought her from Amazon. So this is where I found her on Amazon, and I paid $160 including shipping. And I ordered her on the 5th, and she was here on the 8th. So that was one of the fastest doll purchases I've ever made as far as shipping is concerned, and I honestly could not be happier. So let's get to unboxing. Again, a friendly reminder not to use scissors this way. Please use a box cutter so you don't damage yourself or your doll. Now, I need to point out the amount of detail on this doll is honestly outrageous. She's one of the most beautiful dolls I've ever seen, especially her face up, and I do a lot of zoom ins on her face in this video because the subtlety of the rainbow is just so stunning. I can't even fathom it. And it's not just her face, her dress too is absolutely gorgeous. So she comes with these two little clips that go on the side of her head, pretty standard for a ballerina costume, and she has little ballet slippers as well, which were a nightmare, but we'll get there. A stand, and her little collector card. So here we really get into me losing it about how gorgeous she is. If my original video wasn't muted, you would just hear a bunch of squealing, because she's just so pretty. Even her eye chip choice it's just stunning. She really looks like a swan queen, in my mind. And now her dress. The lace, I'm sure you've all probably felt really cheap lace that people use for doll clothes. This is not that. It's sumptuous and wonderful, and the little details of the fur and her tutu, like her tulle underskirt, it's just so beautiful. I didn't actually take it off of her because I didn't want to rip anything on accident. And these little ear things, the little hair clips, are equally as lovely. And unlike the clips with the kind of comb fixture, These actually stay in place, which is a lovely surprise. And her little ballet slippers are only fabric, which is not great to get on if you don't have a doll-sized shoehorn, but they're beautiful nonetheless. And the stand is a standard pull-up stand. The collar part of her dress is actually detachable, so it's more like a choker. And you can see that the tulle underskirt is sewn into the main garment. It's not separate. The sleeves, the little puffs, are separate, but the skirt is attached, and she has full stockings on, not the little half socks or anything like that. Her eye mechanism does work. Her eyes go side to side, and then you can close one like a wink, or close the other, and they both open. Very easy to use. So let's start the nightmare of getting her shoes on. Literally a pause while I'm editing this footage. I cut it down, but I had recorded myself putting her shoes on for over 8 minutes. And I only ended up getting them on with pliers. Very gently and delicately, but I did need to use pliers to pull them on her little feet. And here we have Noel, fully dressed, head to toe, gorgeous, Gorgina, beautiful, stunning, one of the prettiest dolls I've ever seen. So, all of that being said, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you soon for more. Thank you. Bye-bye.